Welcome in trigonometrical inverse circular function. It is part 40 of your trigonometry part 40, and inverse circular function, I think it is third part. So now we read some important formula. You have understand inverse circular function and inverse functions, their domain and range. Now let us see what are some formulae related to inverse function. First of all, number 1, sine inverse sin x is x. Number 2, cos inverse cos x is x. Number 3, tan inverse tan x is x. Similarly, you will write cot inverse cot x is x, sec inverse sec x is x, cosec inverse cosec x is x. सब के लिए होता है. So we see these three and we see the authenticity of the result, means whether this result is true or not. Let us suppose we have to check sine inverse sin x is x or not. If we write, let if we take sine inverse x equal to suppose theta, sine inverse x is an angle, let us suppose this is theta. So if we consider sine inverse x equal to theta, then obviously sine theta will be x. Okay, if sine theta is x, okay, this implies, now come to here, sine inverse x was theta, then what is coming? Sine theta is x. In place of x you write sine theta. समझे? ये x के जगह पर फिर ये sin theta लिख दे, equal to what? Theta. So we are getting sin inverse sin theta is theta. So sin inverse sin x is x, same है, ये x था यहाँ theta हो गया. So sin inverse sin theta is theta. So we can say sin inverse sin x is x. Similarly, cos inverse cos x is x. Tan inverse tan x is x. Cot inverse cot x is x. Sec inverse sec x is x. Cosec inverse cosec x is x. In this way, you will write the other three also. And as I have proved for this sin inverse sin x equal to x, 1 2 more you will try tan inverse tan x equal to x. अपने से कर लीजिएगा एक बार. सेकेंड होता है sin inverse x. This will be also x. Sin inverse x, x. Cos inverse x, x. Tan inverse x is x. Cot inverse x, x. Sec inverse x, x. Cosec inverse x, x. In this way, let us see its authenticity. Let here also sin inverse x equal to suppose theta. Then what will happen? Sin theta is your x. Okay. Now this implies, here you see, sin theta is x. We have assumed sin inverse x is theta. So in place of theta, can you write sine inverse x? And this side is x. So in this way we are getting sine inverse x is x. Similarly, cos inverse x is x. Tan inverse x is x. Cot inverse x is x. Sec inverse x is x. Cosec inverse x is x, and so on. Number 3. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. This is very useful. Second, tan inverse x cot inverse x is also equal to pi by 2. Third, sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is also equal to pi by 2. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x, pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, pi by 2. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x, pi by 2. So in this way, this is not means only 3. There is no 4th, 5th, 6th. All trigonometrical ratios are involved. So you have to remember sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. So sine inverse x can be written as pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Cos inverse x can be written as pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. This will be used for solving problems. Tan inverse x can be written as pi by 2 minus cot inverse x. Cot inverse x can be written as pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. Sec inverse x can be written as pi by 2 minus cosec inverse x, and cosec inverse x can be written as pi by 2 minus sec inverse x. Okay. So let us see authenticity of one at least. Remaining yourself you can try. Let us see this one. Let sine inverse x equal to theta. Then obviously sine theta is your x. Okay. If sine theta equal to x, sine theta can be written as cos 90 minus theta. Sin theta को आप लिख सकते हैं ना, cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta equal to x. Cos theta equal to x. So theta equal to cos inverse x. Theta means here pi by 2 minus theta. This is in place of theta. This will be equal to cos inverse x. जैसे साइन थीटा इक्वल टू एक्स होने से थीटा इक्वल टू कॉस इनवर्स एक्स होता है ना, तो दोनों साइड से ट्रू होता है. वैसे कॉस में भी कॉस थीटा इक्वल टू एक्स, देन थीटा इक्वल टू कॉस इनवर्स एक्स. ये है थीटा के जगह पर. सो फ्रॉम हियर वी विल गेट पाई बाई 2 इक्वल टू थीटा प्लस कॉस इनवर्स एक्स. व्हाट इज थीटा? साइन इनवर्स एक्स इज थीटा. So this is equal to sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. So in this way we are getting sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. This one. Similarly we can go for tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equal to pi by 2. So these were some results you have to remember. Let us see few more result. Let me rough this side. So understand this. Let's see. This was result number 3. Now result number 4. Result number 4 is sin inverse x equal to cosec inverse 1 by x. Sin inverse x can be written as cosec inverse 1 by x, and cosec inverse x will be your sin inverse 1 by x. Cosec inverse x is sin inverse 1 by x. Okay. Second, cos inverse x is sec inverse 1 by x, and sec inverse x is cos inverse 1 by x. Third, tan inverse x is cot inverse 1 by x and cot inverse x equal to tan inverse 1 by x. These are your results. Try to understand. tan, यहाँ x छूटा है ना, sin inverse x equal to cosec inverse 1 by x. Cosec inverse x can be written as sin inverse 1 by x. Cos inverse x is sec inverse 1 by x. Sec inverse x can be written as 1 by cos inverse 1 by x. Tan inverse x is cot inverse 1 by x, and cot inverse x can be written as tan inverse 1 by x. Let us see the authenticity of 1. Let sin inverse x equal to suppose theta. So you can write then sin theta equal to x. Okay, and sin theta can be written as a sin theta equal to x. Okay, then what will be cosec theta? Cosec theta will be 1 by x, and therefore theta equal to cosec inverse 1 by x. Cosec theta equal to x, then theta will be cosec inverse 1 by x. What is theta? Sin inverse x. Yes, cosec inverse 1 by x. In this way easily we can show that yes, sin inverse x is cosec inverse 1 by x. Similarly we can show cos inverse x equal to sin inverse 1 by x. You have to assume cosec inverse x equal to theta, and you will get cosec inverse x equal to sin inverse 1 by x. This you can easily get. Similarly you can get the other result also. So in this way you will get the other result yourself. 5 number. Let us see few more result. Sin inverse minus x equal to minus sin inverse x. Sin inverse minus x equal to minus sin inverse x. Cos inverse minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Third, tan inverse minus x equal to minus tan inverse x. Okay. Number 4, cot inverse minus x equal to pi minus होगा इसमें, pi minus cot inverse x. Sec inverse minus x, here also pi minus sec inverse x, and cosec inverse minus x equal to minus cosec inverse x. Yes, pi minus sec inverse x is pi minus cot inverse x. Yes, these results are not only useful in maths as well as useful in physics. फिजिक्स में भी ये सब रिजल्ट आपको बीच बीच में जरूरत पड़ेगा. साइन इनवर्स माइनस एक्स इज माइनस साइन इनवर्स एक्स, whereas cos inverse minus x is pi minus cos inverse x. Tan inverse minus x is minus tan inverse x, whereas cot inverse minus x is pi minus cot inverse x. Sec inverse minus x is same, pi minus sec inverse x, and cosec inverse minus x is minus cosec inverse x. Very very important this one. एक दो बनाते हैं इसका. Let us see first one. Let sin inverse x equal to theta. Then you will get sin theta equal to x. Sin inverse x equal to theta, then sin theta equal to x, and if sin theta equal to x, minus sin theta can be written as minus x. Taken minus sign both side. Okay. Now if minus sin theta equal to x, minus sin theta can be written as sin minus theta. इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं, sin minus theta is minus sin theta. ये सब तो फिजिक्स में आपको हर जगह जरूरत पड़ेगा. sin minus theta as minus sin theta, cos minus theta as cos theta. समझ के रखिए, ये माइनस थीटा एंगल फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में, और फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में कॉस और सेक पॉजिटिव होता है, बाकी सब नेगेटिव होता है. साइन नेगेटिव होता है इसलिए माइनस, कॉस पॉजिटिव होता है इसलिए प्लस. साइन माइनस साइन थीटा कैन बी रिटन एज साइन माइनस थीटा. इट इज फ्रॉम बोथ साइड इक्वल टू माइनस एक्स. ओके, so this is our angle, है ना. sin theta equal to x, then theta equal to sin inverse x. This is in place of theta. Theta equal to sin inverse x, in place of x here it is minus x. ये थीटा मान लीजिए, x मान लीजिए. sin theta equal to x, तो थीटा equal to sin inverse x, sin inverse ये. ठीक है. So what we are getting, इसको हम लिखते हैं साइन इनवर्स माइनस एक्स इक्वल टू माइनस थीटा. व्हाट इज थीटा? थीटा किसको माने थे? साइन इनवर्स एक्स को ना. इन दिस वे, तो इन दिस वे वी आर गेटिंग साइन इनवर्स माइनस थीटा इज माइनस साइन इनवर्स माइनस एक्स इक्वल टू माइनस साइन इनवर्स एक्स. सिमिलरली साइन इनवर्स माइनस थीटा विल बी माइनस साइन इनवर्स थीटा. I think you have understand. Let us see one more. ये पाई माइनस कैसे आ रहा उसको भी एक देख लीजिए, फिर उसी तरह से बाकी सब आप अपने से बनाइएगा. तो लेट मी रफ दिस साइड. Let us see this second. For second, let cos inverse x equal to theta suppose. Okay, if you take cos inverse x equal to theta, then cos theta is your x, and cos theta is your x, then minus cos theta is minus x. Okay, now here the important thing, minus cos theta, see here, minus cos theta. What can we write for minus cos theta? Cos minus theta is not minus cos theta. Cos minus theta is your plus cos theta. So what can we write for minus cos theta? For minus cos theta, we have to write cos pi minus theta. Cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. Okay, so minus cos theta can be written as cos pi minus theta equal to minus x. So pi minus theta, this is the angle, equal to cos inverse this. Okay, so pi minus, what is theta? We have assumed theta cos inverse x. So pi minus cos inverse x equal to cos inverse minus x. So in this way we are getting cos inverse minus x is pi minus cos inverse x. Yourself you will try tan inverse minus x minus tan inverse x. Similarly, cot inverse minus x, pi minus cot inverse x, sec inverse minus x, pi minus sec inverse x, cosec inverse minus x equal to minus cosec inverse x. You will try all, सबको बनाइएगा, तब आपका कॉन्सेप्ट पूरा पूरी क्लियर होगा. ठीक है. So in this video this much. Go on watching inverse circular function. In the next video we will discuss few more results. Very important results are there, will be discussed in part 41, and then few problems, then this chapter will over. So in this video this much. Thank you for watching.